Hey everybody, I'm making another video. This is day 5 and 6 of the build. Of course, it's way past that in real time, but as you know, I've had to bury my mom and stuff, and it took a financial toll on me. So it just took me a while to get back into the gear. Now I'm back into the mode, and we're making more videos. Still living in a shed, as you can tell. This is a barn dominium, or a barn shed, and it's cold, man. It's 20 degrees outside, and I got a diesel heater, but we're still working on the building. And thanks to everybody that has donated. Without your donations, I wouldn't have been able to get this far. I've had to get the plumbing permit for me to do the plumbing because the plumber disappeared, and don't know where he's at. And other plumbers down here will not take over someone else's work. There's just one strange thing. You call them all and they're like, they will not finish what another plumber has started. And I'll get into that to another video. But right now, I've had to get the permit, and everything's going good as far as that. The donations got the parts, and God bless all y'all that donated. I could still use a few more donations. I'll put a link to the GoFundMe below. Please, if you got $5, $10, whatever, please put a donation down there so we can finish this building and get the banjo factory going. If you're a instrument selling place, like a music shop, and you would like some information about the banjos we're going to be building, we're going to be building the beginner banjos for people that are just starting to learn how to play banjos. So we had to sell most of our equipment: our bandsaw, our planer, our sander, and our big CNC, to help with my mom's funeral costs and the getting her into a nursing home during the summer for her last few months here on Earth. But if you could help out with that, I'll put a GoFundMe link below, and I would greatly appreciate it. And if you're interested in the banjos we're getting ready to build, make a comment down there, and it might take us 5 or 6 more months to get all the shop going again. But greatly appreciate the donations, and if you could donate, please go to GoFundMe. Here's day 5 and 6. Here's what they got done so far. Black roof. Got the windows in. We are still waiting on the front door. I think tomorrow they'll be done with it. I really do. Now I have to put in the garage doors. There's the front, and I don't have a awning for the front or a front porch roof. I'm gonna add that later. But this is what it looks like. All the windows in. It's very comfortable inside. That's the front doors they're going to put in the front. But this is my front door view. Could you imagine that every day waking up and seeing that? This is the kitchen. Now the counters will be on the left and the right, so that window's okay. But this one has to be high because the counters will be up to here. And we'll put electric plugs on the walls for all the utensils. It's one thing I learned about my old house. Didn't have enough plugs on the counter. I hope they get the staircase in tomorrow, but I got a strange feeling tomorrow will be the final day. Then I got to go to Louisville, pick up a payment. They also added this wall too, which is really nice because that's my bathroom wall. It's very nice of them to do that. Eventually there'll be a second floor bathroom that'll duplicate this, but we're not going to do it this season. And we'll have plywood garage doors for a while. Here's the other side, it's a duplicate of the front side. But it'll be black trim and white siding with a black roof. All right, very beautiful. They already got the black trim on here. They're done for the day, and take a good look around here a little bit. So far I haven't found a single mistake, and I've looked for every possible mistake I've ever learned on framing, and they're way up on another level. They're perfect framers and builders. Very exciting to have them doing my work. And they got the doors in. I got to build some kind of a temporary garage door. I'll probably do that as soon as tomorrow, as soon as they're done framing. I mean, putting the rest of the siding on. And then I'll start working on the inside. Very beautiful. Looks like it's gonna rain, so I might close up all the windows over there. So anyway, they did a good job. Beyond expectations. Right, this is the front. Right, back door. I got stonework on the front. Glass doors with blinds in them. I don't think I could walk through the front because it's still stapled shut. Oh, yes, I can. Okay, so better put something in front of that so fly open it. Okay, so here it is. Almost done. The doors are in. That door's in. Still need a staircase, and I think they're gonna plywood this wall here. At least I hope they are. And if not, I guess I'll have to do it. But there's the front door. And I noticed last night the full moon comes right in square in the middle of this window when you're looking out it. Look at that view. Window's dirty, but that's the view outside this window. So you turn around, the kitchen's right there. Laundry room, furnace, water heater. So it's just beautiful. I would think one more day. I'm thinking one more day and it's done. This is a close-up look of the metal. It's pretty thick metal. Way thicker than siding. The cool thing is you can take it off later and change it out. And it's not that expensive to do, but that'll last 20, 30 years. It's got bug guard and a rat guard down here. This is way better than a barndominium. Now this is not cheap. This would be the same price as probably building a house. The only way I save money is I'm acting as the general contractor, and I know what I'm doing, and I know whether or not somebody can do something right. So these guys, I knew they would do this right. I had this feeling. Their company was so big, nobody cusses. I'm assuming they all go to church because they look like it, definitely act like it. And I wouldn't use anybody else after this as far as this is concerned. So I think I got a good plumber, a good concrete guy, a good earthwork guy, good builders. Just need a lot of money to make one of these. But like I said, I might try to sell this and build another one, sell it, build another one. I don't know. We'll figure something out, but it's beautiful. Back to work.